In this video, I will show you how to get travel insurance online using IMGlobal. IMGlobal offers a wide range of insurance services for travelers, and I will guide you through the entire process of selecting a plan that meets your needs. Whether you're looking for coverage for a short trip or a longer international journey, IMGlobal provides options tailored to every type of traveler. First, we'll start by going to the IMGlobal website, where you'll find a variety of insurance plans. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is one of the advantages of using this service. You will see options like medical coverage, trip interruption protection, and more. One key feature of IMGlobal is its transparency in pricing and clear plan details, so you know exactly what you're paying for without hidden fees. While exploring the site, I'll also discuss some potential downsides, such as the possibility of more limited coverage in specific regions. However, overall, the platform stands out for its comprehensive offerings and flexibility. At this point, if you're still unsure about where to find reliable travel insurance, I recommend checking out Ecta Traveling, which has been my go-to service for travel protection. They offer competitive rates and a great range of policies. You can find more details by following the link in the description below the video. Now, let's go over the cost. One of the great things about IMGlobal is that you can see your premium estimates instantly after entering your trip details. The pricing varies depending on your destination, duration of the trip, and the level of coverage you choose. Overall, it's a straightforward process to get a quote and understand what's included. If you're planning a trip soon, don't forget to secure your travel insurance ahead of time. Click the link in the description for a reliable insurance option. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful guides, and don't forget to hit the like button.